Oh, he gets so much. Oh, you gotta try it again.
Ollie trying to jump the fence.
Ollie, go on, try it. I'm getting this on video. Ollie. He's gonna...
He's too double and too over. Oh, Ollie.
He's gonna try again, I bet you. So close. But when he jumps it, he's gonna face plant into the concrete. It's gonna be funny when he jumps it.
Crazy dog.
Well, oh. I didn't give this kid rid of my memory. I love this. 3, 2, 1, go. Ollie? He's gonna try. He's gonna try. When you see him around the gate, you know when he's going to jump.
He's trying to do a run and jump.
Yeah.
Run up and jump.
Are you gonna jump? I think he's going to jump again.
You're doing it, Ollie.
I think he's giving up.
You have to show George in the video.
That's all it is. You gonna try and get a run up?
I think he wants to come inside, don't you?
I need to post this on YouTube. Rep Centipede. Ollie! Ollie! Come here, Ollie! What happens? Ding, dong. One, and he's gonna try and jump it, I bet you, because he's there. He's gonna... Ollie, come on! Come on, Ollie! Come on, Ollie! Come on, Ollie! Ollie! Come on, Ollie!
Do you want to come inside?
Should I get him?
Yeah, let him come down here.
Oh, I think he's going to try. Ollie, you going to try? I think he's going Ollie, congratulations!
How many attempts? You have to count how many attempts it was.
I'm going to check on the video.